Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi and I am so happy right now because this is a video I have been planning to do for weeks, actually for months, collecting empties and used products, making notes. This is a brand, like let's be honest, Mamaearth is a brand that seems to be everywhere these days on social media, or when you go to a store, it's everywhere. So one of the questions that even I get a lot from my viewers is that, Prachi, are these products actually good, or are these reviews that we see everywhere just reviews? So I thought, okay, let me make a video straight out of my heart today and talk about the products that are personally my favorites. I will actually show you the empties, and I have a lot of them right now, and how to use them, what my experience has been. Also, if you've never tried out any product from Mamaearth before, but if you are really curious about this brand, maybe this video will help you figure out what you want to get started with, right? So what do I want to start with? There's products everywhere because there's just so many boxes, new products, old products, used products. Okay, I'll start with this one because this is one of my most recent discoveries and it's absolutely amazing, which is the Mamaearth Charcoal Black Long Stay Kajal. Now, I discovered this along with the eyeliner. Both of these are absolutely amazing. The eyeliner needs sharpening. This one is just like a roll-on pen. So I've almost finished it off. There's hardly anything left. Let me just show this to you. Okay, I was just swatching it, but I'll swatch it again over here for you guys. Okay. So do you see the color payoff? It's absolutely amazing. In fact, let me show you a little snippet from my previous video where I had talked about it in detail. So I had swatched this kajal as well as the eyeliner at the back of my hand. And do you see how smudge free it is? It also is water resistant. It's absolutely amazing, guys. It stays on for the whole day. Like when I apply it in the morning, it stays on till the whole evening, till the night, and it's also very easy to remove when you use a micellar water or makeup remover. So absolutely wonderful. I actually got a new one because I knew I was about to finish it off. I'm even wearing it right now. So this is my old kajal, which I've almost finished, and this is the new one, which is waiting to be opened. So I'll use it when the old one is done. But amazing product. It's also got the Made Safe certification. A lot of Mamaearth products these days have Made Safe certification. For your eyes, you want to use something like this. I love this kajal again. What do you want to talk about next? Okay, so I don't have any empties for this, obviously, because these are sheet masks, but you can see I have so many of them. So okay, I have two of the hyaluronic acid sheet masks because I absolutely love these. I always have this in my collection, and then we have so many other variants. There's the rice water variant. I have two of these also, actually. Let me show this to you. I have two of the rice water variant as well, niacinamide, choco. So I have a lot of sheet masks. Now, I'm someone who loves sheet masks, and trust me when I say this, I have tried out sheet masks from possibly every major brand in India right now. Okay, I have tried almost all of them, and some international brands as well, which are not yet available in India, because I love sheet masks. Now, Mamaearth happens to be one of my absolute favorites for two reasons. Number one, this is a sheet mask. The serum of the sheet mask has a rich, slightly thick consistency. Okay, so it's not watery and runny like a lot of sheet masks out there. Now, the serum is a very important part of a sheet mask. Serum is a very important part of the sheet mask, and because that is what you're using the sheet mask for, right? So this serum, because it is thick and rich, it goes into your skin much more slowly. Okay, no doubt about that, but it also works much better. So it gives you much better hydration, much longer hydration. It's also cut out really well. Another reason why I love these sheet masks is because it's coming from the brand Mamaearth, right? So they're a plastic positive brand. They also have taken up the plant goodness initiatives, which basically means that when you purchase it directly from the Mamaearth website or the app, they will link your order to a tree that they plant. So the plant goodness initiative is to plant 1 million trees, that's 10 lakh trees by the year 2025. So when people buy sheet masks, one of the concerns that often comes up is that, is this environmental friendly? So we are actually encouraging a brand to plant a tree by buying a sheet mask from them. So, you're actually doing more good to the environment than damage by buying these sheet masks. Next, I have with me the Mamaearth Aqua Glow Gel Face Moisturizer. Now, let me show this to you. It gives you 72 hours of hydration. Now, my skin is extremely dehydrated, and ideally, this is something that you use twice a day, morning and evening. So, the first time you use it, you feel that, your skin is feeling soft, supple, nice. But once you make it a part of your routine, and like in my case, I've finished up the entire jar and now have a new one right here. So once you've started using it regularly, your skin starts responding really well, right? Because your skin is constantly very well hydrated. So it looks plump, it just looks fresh throughout the day. It starts to glow, it starts to look better. It also contains hyaluronic acid. So this is the new one. So this is how a new, fresh, clean jar looks like. This one is actually old and dirty. This one is fresh and new. And I absolutely love that it has, hyaluronic acid. It has Himalayan thermal water, which is very rich in minerals. So this is a brand new jar, which I will start using. I think I'll get 1 or 2 more uses out of the old jar, and then I'll start with the new one. So amazing product, guys. Definitely worth trying out for people with dry, dehydrated skin, especially for the winter season. It's absolutely amazing. However, if you do want to get more amplified results, I would recommend that from the same range you try out the Aqua Glow face serum. Now let me show this to you up close. Now this is also something which I have finished off. I don't have a new one yet. I'm still waiting for the product. So let me show this to you. So this is a serum. When you finish it off, no, there's this little white band, do you see? So it was actually right here when I started off, and as you use more and more, it keeps going up, and now that it's almost finished, it's right at the top. So let me just show this to you. I'll not get, okay, I'm still getting a little bit when I squeeze the bottle, but that's about it. So it's an amazing serum because again, it contains Himalayan thermal water, it contains hyaluronic acid. This also gives you 72-hour hydration, and it's absolutely wonderful for anyone with dry, dehydrated skin. The texture is extremely lightweight and it absorbs into the skin very, very quickly. And here's the texture of the moisturizer which I just showed you. In the same range, now I don't have an empty for this, but I do have a new one. I kind of threw away the empty. It was emptied a long time ago, okay? From the same range, we also have the Mamaearth Aqua Glow Face Wash, again with the Himalayan thermal water and hyaluronic acid, designed to give you intense hydration. So this is my second tube. I just mentioned I have misplaced the first one, and this is how the tube looks. So there are 2 ways of using this, and I'll tell you how I like to use it. So they have a silicone brush tip, so if you want, you can actually get the product up till here, and then brush your face with it or massage your face with it. Otherwise, you can simply just squeeze out the product like this. So towards the end, I was squeezing out the product more than using the silicone brush, but you can use it either ways, whatever works for you. Either way is a wonderful product because this is a face wash that's like, it has a gel-like consistency and it doesn't dry out your skin. Like a lot of face washes, they have a soapy formula and they tend to dry out your skin. This doesn't do that. So I absolutely love that about it. What else do I want to talk about? Okay. Then I have with me the Mamaearth Upton face mask, which I have talked about for like I think a million, billion, gazillion times on so many platforms, like on YouTube, on Instagram, on Insta stories, on Insta live sessions also. I love it so much. So I discovered this product ages ago, and since then it has been like a staple in my skincare routine. I love the Upton face mask, guys. It is such a great formula. So I haven't emptied this jar. I have emptied 2 jars in the past. This is my 3rd jar. So I really like this Upton face mask for so many reasons. It contains turmeric, saffron. It also contains apricot oil. Turmeric has antibacterial properties. It also brings a nice glow. It contains saffron. Saffron is amazing for healing your skin, pampering your skin. Apricot oil is great for moisturizing your skin and for nourishing your skin. So this is a wonderful formula, especially for the upcoming wedding season. Whether you're attending a wedding or whether you are bride to be and you don't have time to make Upton every single day, just start using this face mask. This is something which you don't need to use it more than 2 to 3 times a week. But I remember at one point I was so obsessed, I was using it every single day. It's a very natural formula, guys. Very natural formula. So like all the products from Mamaearth are toxin free. They're also, by the way, cruelty free, so I think it's amazing that they're actually doing all these amazing things for the environment, plant goodness and cruelty free and toxin free products. Amazing stuff. Okay, so that was the Upton face mask. I am so utterly confused right now. There are just so many things. Okay, let me just... Okay, now this is something which I had discovered about 2 years back, 1.5, 2 years back I think, which is the Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask. Maybe even longer than that, I don't remember. So when I discovered the Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask, I absolutely loved it. I finished off the jar and then I forgot about it, honestly. But then recently when I was on the website, I kind of saw this mask again and I was like, why haven't I picked up another one in such a long time? So I got a new one, and this Argan Hair Mask is so great, guys. So it contains argan, which, as you know, is great for conditioning your hair. It's great for improving your hair elasticity. It also contains milk protein. It also contains avocado oil. So it has such an amazingly rich ingredient structure. And when you use this mask, how to use this mask, I'll just give you a little tip. So when you're using this mask, it's actually very thick, okay? So you might find it a little difficult to spread. So what I like to do is I apply it on damp hair and then mix a little bit of water with this and then apply it. So it just spreads very quickly, very well. And then you go on and use it as a hair mask and wash it off, and all of that. So I think there is a mask which people with extremely dry, frizzy and rough hair can really use. For straight hair, for curly hair, everyone can use this. Start by using this once or twice a week, and gradually you can just move to using it just once a week also if you don't have the time for using it more often than that. Your hair will be well maintained and so much more better behaved. This is one of my favorite hair masks ever. It is so wonderful, guys. What do I want to talk about next? Okay, so I have a lot of lip balms. You'll be stunned how many lip balms I have. Sorry. So I have all of these lip balms from Mamaearth, which I again discovered very recently. Initially they were sent to me for review, but I fell in love with these lip balms the moment I tried them. So let me just show you this cherry tinted lip balm, which is currently my favorite of the lot. It has this amazingly beautiful light reddish tint, okay, and it smells amazing, it feels amazing, it looks amazing, and most importantly it hydrates your lips and moisturizes your lips really well. So my lips are really dry, so I use it about twice a day, once or twice a day. You don't need to use it more often than that because it will give you about 12 hours, yeah, 12 hours of moisturization. It actually does that. There is this variant also, the Upton tinted variant, which is great if you don't want any color, any tint, because every one of them have a different tint. The Upton one is actually completely color free, so for men, or if you don't want any color on your lip balm, you can totally use this. It's also 100% natural, and again it has a Made Safe certification, so it's super safe, it's super amazing and so great, guys. By the way, did you know Mamaearth is also a Made in India brand? So you're actually supporting a Made in India brand by buying from this brand. Okay, then let me show you the empty again. So this is the empty and this is the new one, which is the Vitamin C Under Eye Cream from Mamaearth. Now what I really like about this product, the word here used here is cream, but it actually has a gel like consistency. Yes, so it's not like a cream, it's not thick like a cream, it's actually more like a gel based serum. Okay, so what I really like about this product, first of all, it contains vitamin C, which is actually great for dealing with dark circles, under eye bags, for dealing with the dull, tired eyes, and to just kind of brighten up your eyes really well. Vitamin C has those benefits, right? And honestly, however, the biggest takeaway is this electric massager. So I don't know if you can hear this or not. Let me just show this to you. So I'm just switching it on and it makes this sound. I hope you could hear that on camera. So it actually, it has this electric massager. So whenever you're using it, also by the way, it is shaped really well. So you can actually use it on the side of your eyes like this and kind of just go like this, very slowly. So it hardly takes like not even a minute to do both your eyes, your under eye region, and it is so handy to use because number one, massaging the under eye area, you have to be very careful. However, massaging while applying an under eye cream or an under eye product is so important because of the improved blood circulation. The under eye bags and the fine lines and wrinkles actually start to reduce. So with the massager and such a wonderful formula, it is so great. I love what they have done with the massager. So I recently finished this off and I got this new one, which I haven't opened it yet. I think I've just been lazy. I keep thinking, I should start using it, and the last couple of days have been actually crazy. I don't know if you follow me on my Hindi vlog channel or not. We recently got a little puppy. We are fostering a little puppy, so I've been like after her, running after her, cleaning up after her the whole day, and I hardly get time to try out my new beauty products or the old beauty products in this case. So yes, that was it, guys. I think that's all I want to share in today's quick haul. Yes, that's all I want to share in today's quick haul. These are some of my very special hand-picked products. That is not to say that there aren't any more. There are so many others. Like I love the sunscreen. They have this Indian sunscreen, like sunscreen for Indian skin, and it is so brilliant, but I just don't have one with me right now, so I couldn't show it to you. But they have some really good products, and these are some of my current favorites. If you have tried any of these products yourself, let me know in the comment section below which ones have you tried, what you liked about them, what your experience was. So yes, guys, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick haul. How quick was it? Okay, I was expecting this video to be much longer. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Laya, calm down, baby. Okay, bye.